Sir, and if you look at that, sir, it is the youth which is one of our greatest strengths and our greatest assets. And that is why, sir, in the past many years, we have been bringing out programs, policies that are very, very focused on the youth. And our idea is very simple, sir. We want to nurture them, we want to ensure that they are ready, and we want to ensure that they are able to contribute in a maximum way to the overall productivity and growth of our state and of our nation. And therefore it is our responsibility as a government and as political leaders and as officials to guide our youth, give them the opportunity so that they can contribute in the productive manner. And hence, so we are really focused on what we're calling the entrepreneurship ecosystem, sir. And that's really at the core of what we are trying to do. So we realized almost close to 80,000 youths today enter the workforce every year in Meghalaya. 80,000, sir. And therefore, this 80,000 workforce is massive. Now, how do we channelize this 80,000 youths so that they can contribute in a productive manner towards the growth of our nation, sir?